I wanted to welcome all of you to this wonderful event. Thank you for coming. Your Holiness, thank you. I have the honor of making a few introductory remarks. I wanted to make a few thank yous. I wanted to thank the Ethical Culture Society for being so tremendously accommodating in dealing with our chaotic setup. I wanted to thank the sponsors who helped us get the word out about this event. That includes Garrison Institute, the Westchester Buddhist Center, the Shambhala Sun, Buddha Dharma Magazine, and ABC Carpet and Home, who very generously loaned us some of the furniture that you see here. I wanted to thank the staff who worked so diligently to help put this setup together. Harry Einhorn, Alicia Fordham, Monty McKeever, and Margot Becker, and John Sennhauser, and all of their crews who were very, very helpful in making this beautiful event happen. I wanted to thank the Karmapa Foundation. This event would never happen if they hadn't so generously brought His Holiness here and subsidized his travels. And we're very, very grateful. And in fact, this event is the only event which is specifically hosted by the Karmapa Foundation and to benefit the Karmapa Foundation. And I know many of you here gave very generously to make this happen, and we're extremely grateful. So on behalf of the Karmapa Foundation, my generous thanks. I wanted to introduce Dan Goleman, who many of you know already, who is the sort of founder of emotional intelligence. Perhaps maybe 20 years ago, he coined the phrase, which spawned a movement of contemplative emotional investigation. Dan has many attributes and qualities. He's a psychologist, an author, a speaker, and a journalist, and a former science reporter for the New York Times. He's also written several books with the Dalai Lama, and in fact, he's working on one called A Force for Good, the Dalai Lama's vision for our world, which will be released in June, and which will celebrate the Dalai Lama's 80th birthday. So anyway, thank you so much. Dan?
Your Holiness, and friends, I welcome you all here. I want to say a few brief words. You all know who His Holiness the Karmapa is, of course, but you may not know how the 7th Karmapa used to travel in the 12th century. His personal entourage was about 1,000 monks, and they would walk wherever they went. Of course, they had yaks and so on, but they would walk too. And there were so many of them that they couldn't all stay in one camp. So they divided up into groups of 100 or so, and they would spread out a day's walk ahead. And every day they would have 4 practice sessions. And during those practice sessions, they would continue to walk, but each monk would have 2 or 3 pages of the Kanjur, the Buddhist classic in Tibetan. And each monk would recite his 2 or 3 pages, and the next monk would have the next 2 or 3 pages. And that way they would do the entire Kanjur in a single day's travel. Today, however, His Holiness flies by jet. And on this trip, you may know that he's going to or has been in about 16 cities in 8 weeks, pretty much a whirlwind tour. And from what I hear, the high point, one of the high points is his meetings with students at places like Stanford and Princeton and Yale and so on, because these are the people of the 21st century. These are the people who will shape the future. And hopefully it'll be this compassionate world we're going to hear about tonight. I overheard one of the people in the entourage who's traveling with him say, I think I'll make a t-shirt, I Survive Karmapa 2015 tour. It's pretty hectic. It's very frenzied. His Holiness galvanizes audiences wherever he goes. But he is, in a sense, a spiritual rock star. The first Karmapa was the first enlightened being to consciously reincarnate as a tulku. It began the whole tulku lineages. And our Karmapa, the 17th, it's been said, at least I've heard His Holiness the Dalai Lama say, will continue his work, the Dalai Lama's work, in the world. Not as a political leader, not necessarily as a religious leader, but as a world figure. So I think we're very blessed to be able to have you here tonight, Your Holiness. My wife Tara and I were fortunate enough to meet you just after you came out of Tibet in an amazingly courageous escape. Many of you may know the story. And we were struck even then by how wise you seem beyond your age and your ability to put timeless truths in contemporary language. So I'm really looking forward to hear what you have to say about shaping a compassionate world, which we desperately need. And I also want to thank an unusual partner, an invisible partner in all this. That's the government of India that has graciously allowed you to have this trip, and I hope there will be many more like that. So I invite you, please, to talk to us about uniting heart and mind in a compassionate world. Thank you.
Karmapa Foundation ki chari chebta somarwe. Dinida duzum di tholia pepe ki nabalinge somarlia ye thomar tsimjidang tishtili shwai.
First of all, I would like to greet and welcome all of you who have come here tonight to this event created or arranged by the Karmapa Foundation.
Tene karasan ngeke je magon kajyo me to kyan kase magon. Tene andare de kasura da thomar nge kogab dis song je ne Karmapa Foundation gi board member tang dana sing gi dari gi ta arilia tin sumba yong ga di kasura da chari chenye gi lejeba Yonglia and Pushishwang, Kansugi, and the Tuzu Burushe, the Rindusan Di Narolia, and Kansugi, Tuzu Makwajidang, and a G Kashurada Gange Mabusi Kese to share, the Rindusa Dickens and Dene, and Kansu, the Antra Tuzu Mabusi Dang, Dang Yabichi, the Rimi, Sange, the Gogab the Stones, and someone of Tushishwang.
I would also like to begin by thanking all of the members of the board of the Karmapa Foundation and everyone else who has worked so hard, who has put so much time and so much hard work, who has extended so much of their precious time to enable my third visit to America to occur. Thank you all.
You mean Mitzame expecting which is I should because Mitzame Matemba, Nesha, or some expecting which go over Mishindaki, the Matemba, Tangalia, Mashia, or some expectation which someone will yawn the yard. Tangun is been a nice gibberish, out some gibberish, Niegi. Kasure Nizu Sangololia, G. Kasure, Ganget Somerset, we are Gatolanji, Malaysia, Narine, G. Ganget, Narotong, Dego, Midushe, Ring Dusana, and Ganget Somerset, Jedia Pro, G. Shia.
I suppose everyone is expecting me to say something that they've not yet thought of themselves. But really, we're in much the same position. I cannot solve all the problems there are, as I still have lots of problems myself.
다 이번에 지 가수에다 아마시다들이 아메리카야 요한 팅 숨바 디톨이야 아니 또 디다 가수 라브시모 오질이야 친제 아다베 다 응어루지 응아지 침브레 다 장원로에 계제 다블지 계제를 시에지 침브레 다디 가수에 초진에 라우다디 초진이 시합입니다. 지 가수에 소설 당 아랑 다 토메 시시를 시합이나 조된 아랑 롭종 시합을 지다 아랑리 지 롭종 라야로 지다 다나 신기 로게 라야로 지직 시합도 용버시 안 담아를 지산에 아니 지 녜지마 상원 기저를 시합 와서 시합을 오늘 좀 처시를 들지 말해 다 이미를 시합을 그래서 다 기저 망고 시합 인자다 마체지다 가수 찍부찍부르지 마더베 지 사바사브르 스타시아 메베스르지 안드레드 안에 그뒤 이미네 다지 톡 제주산다 가르 시에고나 섬르지 당부 아저지 톡 제가 연주산 너무 강가 돼요 말다 니시에고 섬섬게 말아 안당 고르 주지 톡 기시시아든 고드마 주 연주산에 안 글리 지 가르에 제니를 제제 안 삼나방세 다시 이 시야를 좀 하다가 당분을 저지 싶제제 안 차추 싶제 이렇게 요하다 그걸 하고 싶다.
The main purpose, at least my main purpose in this third visit to the United States was to be able to visit this country's great universities. And so far, I've had the precious opportunity to visit 5 of them and have had to give at least one talk at each one. Now, my intention in coming here was to study and learn, but somehow this trip, which from my side was supposed to be a learning experience for me, has turned into more of a series of lectures that I have to give. This was not my initial plan. In fact, at this point, I've given so many lectures that I notice that my talks are somewhat repetitious. I seem to say many of the same things every time I give a talk. I think partly it's because I've had to give so many talks that I don't really have the time to think of anything new to say. And when it's about time to give a talk, I have a hard time thinking of anything really to say. Anyway, I will talk. How about this? I will talk till 8 o'clock, and then we can have questions and answers.
Topic the current we understand or the heart and mind join together. That topic there, Damoda Mother Yawachi Hakumaso. That in a Danam Kasware. Kaswada. Tangian decision.
The topic for this evening is joining heart and mind. This is news to me. I was just informed what the topic is.
가져다 나중에 아주 중중 걸이야 로전 제베 걸이야 traditional somewhere 수균기 아직 가지고 시제도 로전 제베 걸이야 아주 시야지 emphasize 야 somewhere 지 젠드윈 시제 시야지 가르쳐서 퇴삼 공성 사실 다 퇴삼 공성 사디나네 퇴삼 니부디 버지 artificial understanding 타치도 artificial understanding being able to make the imbineya artificial understanding subshe ta dine gom sidusane tenjebi ta kandar thesam susegi energy thebe twendelya ji samshi cheba zum ma sebege ta de ji susegi gyulya nyamnyong jeba chadang susegi gyulya kumji chaji Tadi that the final session some of the Tamadelia Tindiji Yongwa as with that Zendur Chiars.
In the type of traditional education that I underwent when I was young, the main emphasis is on the threefold process of hearing, thinking, and meditating. And the knowledge one gains through hearing or study and thinking or analysis is in a sense somewhat artificial. It's not entirely artificial, but it is primarily not experiential, rather more theoretical. It is with the third step, meditation, that we actually begin to gain a direct experience of what we have read or heard and familiarize ourselves with the direct experience. And that finally, that direct experience and growing familiarization is the final or ultimate emphasis of the training.
Meditation levels ane goms mi mawje samle na lo le ya ji karshure pa ji samsam ji focus cha so ji ya na ji karshure relax cha ji samle na ko re Even in Asusha meditation sat, the Jibo Maviche. Meditation sati, Susugi, Yamsulambe, Tendadi, and Susugi, Mizinang Chashir of Chatuachi. Susugi and Toyanang Chashir of Chatuachi. Teleaji Susugi, Comshin Jibricha, Tendigilia, as you're calling it.
When we talk about meditation, especially when we use the English word meditation, people often imagine that we're talking either about a process of learning to focus our mind sharply or a process of learning to relax. But we actually mean something more than that when we talk about meditation. We mean the process of bringing something into deeply felt experience, so that it becomes an object of feeling, not just knowledge, something that we apply in our lives, and something that we become more and more familiar with.
Ring Justan Azu Shade, Tamara Justana, and Sosugi, Jang Shabegi, Yigi Nachi Jam Mariba, Sanglo, Sosugi, Kashu Digi, Yitok, Yigi Nabotama, but Sosugi Semtoki, energy, Nyamyon Jilia, Kurtubachatan. ane jikdi sosugi mizigi chashi jiliya gyurduba chadi nga tsugi da kashui myuzo chadi.
Therefore, our main goal in this type of training is that what we study and practice be not simply something we have studied or read, something we know theoretically, but something that we have experienced in our heart and that therefore changes our whole life.
링 주산에 창물로 지 가르래. 안 대양 가르래지 응원게다지 가르러 가서 여기 다 한번 남기 명아로 지 가려 어렸으나 아주 지 로종차 창물로 지 냠내차 창물로 아니지 니마 드링 게 저유이 맞지. 다가들 니마 드링이야 냠내 차로 지당. energy susugi kachwe andar susu migi dune yebe misidan java cheche kachwe tadiji susu lobjong cheche aba dedang misidi kandri cheche java cheguyo and susu lobjong cheche aba di thwane ngazun zabulin tatang tang energy kachwe ngazugi misigi duma somar misigi dulam tatang tiji thwale yebina 아주 배주 여부지다 디 가르다 펜토 여부지 연구하디 개준비 맞추는
So when we study the instructions of our holy forebears, we do so in order to be able to apply these instructions in a very practical way in our daily lives, to gain actual experience of them, so that they influence our lives, that they influence our view of the world, and actually our path into the future.
Under Hindustani, as a spiritual practice, Benan Lamarvetaji, Jerry, Cheshaw, and Yamli the Chadi, Susugi, Takandarji, Chehan, Nanolia, Yamli Chazamaba. That is Susu Gomjas, Cambian Nanolia, Yamli Chazamaba. 다디 최강의 치료를 냠내샤지 공자식 치료 디 라와든 바 게시 에너지 소수 다 니메지기나 내가 제베 걸리네래 다가는 신기 지강에 제베 걸리네래 디두스단에 아주 배제해 버리지가 디주 걸리야 다간데 지 닝도 사버게 하지 근데지 펜도에 맞춰 지금
Our spiritual practice, therefore, cannot be limited to what we do in our shrine rooms or place of formal meditation. We must bring it outside the walls of our shrine or selected sacred space, bring it into our workplace, and especially bring it into the problems and apply it to the problems that we face. The point of spiritual practice is that we develop a greater courage to face challenges.
Rangers-anda Trinshadi ane idan jabar che Hindustane azang azu chamninji ko nyamlen chadre chamninji nyamlen chasadia anje azu yegi karwada ji chamninji gi nyamlen le ya tuzu mebchi tuzu gi jeba mebchi restriction mebchi kadu imine ya de ji nyamlen chayo de ji
Therefore, the most important form of spiritual practice is the cultivation of love and compassion. And there are no time restrictions on these practices, because love and compassion are always needed and always applicable.
아주는 유시아디 지 참바다 니지 공경기 가사를 대지해버지 아니 공규기 참바니지 사도 가져대 열시 근데 참바다 니지다 공경 가사디 버롤이야 지 가져에 갭 가지지기 다 파동 가지지 르네 예베네 대수지기 아니 참바다 니지 냠렌디 아니 야보처럼이야 가지지기 예 지다 타마르 주스단데 지 송주구스로 차지 지 냠소 랭긴기 가사 지다 냠소 랭유기 참바데 니지사 수도 매버치지 냠소 렘바보 코랑 아니 참바데 니지 등이 참바데 니지 딱 한다 정신으로 지 교부 체과데 이렇게 좀 잘해요.
It's often said that the practice of love and compassion consists of closing the gap between the practitioner and the practice. As long as there is a great distance between the person meditating on love and compassion and actual love and compassion, their meditation has not been very successful. We need to steadily close that gap until there is no difference between the person meditating and the love and compassion that they seek to cultivate. until the person becomes a true embodiment of love and compassion.
Replaced by the Shen of Chick. The Nibsha, Shenping, somebody, and Susu Kashwadaji. Identities of the Kadaji Tedder Java started the case of
We are normally shockingly selfish in our self-fixation, and this is what we need to change. We need to replace our identification with an obsession with ourselves to an identification with an empathy toward others. We need to replace our selfishness with benevolence and altruism.
And Shella Dene Kashu Chungde, Cheza, Dasade, and Shengi, Shengi, the Chashi Soshi. And the Shadi.
Our selfishness is based upon the misconception that what we think of as I or me has an independent existence. But in fact, no one exists independently of others. It would be far more accurate to say, I exist to such an extent in dependence on others that I am really just a part of others. We need to understand interdependence, including our interdependent connectedness with others. And in fact, mere understanding of this is insufficient. We need to experience it, feel it, and recollect it.
Energy Kashurada Rana Jinzi Chavanashi and Shana Jinzi Sadi, when it's Chavinda, Shana Rana Jinzi Chag, Gunzi Yavanashi, Shana Jinzi Chag, Gunzendi, Rangi Angi on the average.
To the extent that we actually feel our interdependence, that each one of us depends upon all others, and our interconnectedness, that we are each connected to all others, we will understand the reason why it is as valid to cherish others as it is to cherish oneself. While it is obvious that it is worthwhile to cherish others for the benefit of those others, it is perhaps less obvious but equally true that we must cherish others if we cherish ourselves. Because none of us can actually survive alone. We survive in dependence upon one another, and therefore it is only by serving others that we can ever serve our own needs.
칼라시 무슨예다 마젠디 남주지 칼라사데다 마젠디 자첨 임르지다 아주 신다지 수수 칼라사디 개체 제마 마젠디라 주도식 말마다 꼭 가르인 가르미 마젠 수임이 아주 변나 사가지 침비나 칼라드 사중로마다 칼라소니 마젠디 컨트리미 디고라 아주 심제다 심구스케 치가만 이비네지 칼라소니 마젠디 나서 법에 서로지 갱에 근데 충분히나 아주 칼라드 저거 말 칼라드 말아도 아니 에너지 마젠들 상마 마다란다 칼라드 말아도 신이 다시 소술이야 강해지 태연 비싼데 임생 가르래도 따연데 마젠디 나서 법에 때 에너지 임바데 신이 하고지 동원에 아주 임생 상마 마다를 말도 된도 딱 한다라 이미랑 아주 이제 참서 수수 인트레스트를 마도 지기 신달다 삼로 마다고
Think about how we relate to food. When we eat delicious food, we often utterly ignore the fact that someone cooked it for us. We may have no curiosity about the cook, no interest in the cook. For example, when you go to a restaurant, you go there thinking about the food you're going to eat and what you want to select. You're not thinking about who is it who actually did the hard work of cooking this. And yet, were there no one to cook your food, you would not have food. I suppose if we were dying of hunger because all the cooks stopped cooking or we couldn't find anyone to cook, then all of a sudden we would realize the importance of a cook and we might say, where have all the cooks gone? Because at that point it would be in our self-interest to do so. So generally we ignore anything that does not pertain to our immediate self-interest.
아주 담망 잠이야 지리지든 잡아서 통통하다 가라하고 샤르샤 that deep summer this some nenden of strong logic and the susugi kandarji sub interest sanandrado sub selfish summer of the deliver gauge ronamado and the some of the quad 가라하고 샤르샤 in jabadi hakumendo dependodi 미신다다 저거 근데 차대기 여기 하고 말해 미신다 팬도 근데 용데 여기 하고다 가라고
Sometimes it's not obvious or apparent to us the degree to which we are connected to others, the degree to which we are all dependent on one another. We are so limited by our self-interest that we don't see this, we don't think of it. So we need to cross beyond the boundaries established by our self-interest, extend ourselves beyond the field of our immediate self-interest. And only by doing so will we be able to effectively interact with and be of benefit to others.
세상 아주기 따들어디 아주래 낭수기 나샤지 아주 봐 다수기지만 낭수에서 가서 다디 아솔은 낭외기 에는 나대다 대응어매기다 나사죠 대응어매 나서말보다지 the reality가 우변이주 토리야 나사디 is 개발여도 아주 신과지 아주 낭수에 좀 이제만 접치죠 대응어매 토리야 예수 가르쳐주면디 즉 삼동과디 awareness 과디 개침사 차대요 understand yeah good job
There is a big difference between the apparent self or I and what is actually there. And unless we learn to recognize that difference, we will not be able to extend ourselves beyond our obsession with the mere appearance of an I.
세상 알아도 되지 갈라칸성 되지 relatively summer 되지 까지 튕기엔도 야고 star해 다 튕기엔도 야고 여기 아니 가수지 다 간다를 찍을 되게 나 가면 망고지를 되게 동리가 알아배는지 아줄이야 둘러지 예비에 마체지 롱버드네 쇠샤메 롱버 신다지 아메리카 마이바 롱버 신다지네 쇠샤 지다 다나지디 송겐데 주인비네 다강에 망고시지 예비체 안 쿠즈기 다 참성에 정도 쿠즈기 누구되냐 기부된 아주 당대로 누구 다 쿠즈냐 다 예비는지 돌로 괜히 될지 롱제야 돼 아주 롱제를 소식 다 근데야 망고시다 양디가 알아 근데 이 비주얼 때네 아주 awareness sab awareness samarweta diriji gwadi andar azu da zambling tholiya da kejo shu chadi aras
America, of course, is an extremely powerful and very prosperous country with all sorts of resources and luxuries. And yet, even amidst this, we need to become aware of our dependence on others. For example, most of the clothes we wear are not made in this country, they're made in other countries. And they're often made under extremely unpleasant and arduous circumstances, which makes me think that we are enjoying the pleasant fruit of others' suffering. We need to gain an awareness of global realities like this in order to be responsible citizens of this world.
그러니 주산에 지금 경구를 써야 돼. 가수에다지 니지 영화 시절부터 아주 경구를 삼아. 지금 경구를 삼아 대한 경구를 삼아 대한 지금 아주지 가수에다지 경구를 해야지 많이 봐. 경군도 삼아. should 많이 봐. want 사. 다들 지금 경군도 삼아. 좋아다 제베 경군도 삼아. 가다 니지 And
with regard to responsibility, a healthy sense of responsibility is grounded in compassion. We don't undertake responsibilities simply because we should. We undertake responsibilities because we want to. We do so joyously because we feel, because we are concerned, because we are compassionate.
sympathy understanding more involvement more dedicated somewhere. That's it. More action, take action somewhere. That's this individual. And the individual Donna, Rani, the Kasa, the Chashir charge. The nature Donna, so Takanda Ning Tawani, Sona Samus gave Chevade, Kesamister.
Compassion is much stronger than mere sympathy or empathy, merely feeling something about others' sufferings. It is more involved than that. It is being willing to undertake a true involvement, it is dedication, and it is much more active. It is feeling that others are part of you and you are part of them. It is a heartfelt emotion.
That this young Chevelia, the condition Nancy, responsibilities of the Ginkurgi somebody chism chair, you mean that del rally de Chigdang, and Donashing Ginkurgi Ningdobdi, chism chair, you mean tell rally de Shimbi into Sun, Tijus and Dana, Ginkundu, Ginkurgi Sambata, Ginkurgi Ningdobdi, and Ninji Tawanuchi. Chadi user.
I think, therefore, that the willingness to undertake responsibility, the sense of innate responsibility for others, accompanied by courage, the courage to joyously bear that responsibility, are necessary roots of compassion.
ngarangi mizi lo yu da jeche and the kande cheche susu mizi na lo le ya ta kashwe ji chamba de inji sa de understanding zama yama ta di susu ge nyamne ro ji kande che yume dile ya nyongso kande chu yume di ko le ando du shai.
I'm not going to go on about that, however. I want to talk a little bit about experiential love and compassion as opposed to mere understanding, using some of my own life experiences as an example.
Mi mawuji liya kama begi tsoa de kandri imba, kama ba kuyo ki tsonang kandri yagati, imagination chanda da kala khabur shio. Nye chi liya yu nye, da nga liya jikar gyundu ngo sheba, dizu ge imagination chanda kala khabur shado. Je zang, ngo ma shingi jidang da mi jime ru jimbi na, khabur do imagination chanda da kala khabur shado.
Many people wonder what it is like being the Karmapa, what it feels like to be the Karmapa. Well, I think it's very, very hard for anyone to imagine. I think it would be hard even for those who know me well to imagine, let alone for anyone else.
Lo, that I get you the Chidong you go to Kongala Kene, and that Lord Dungu Barulia, and the country. 소화지 답되고 소 심볼스함을 해봤는지 다 소화를 계시 되버려. 지 아주 나라 충주이네 지 이제 나라 계획 걸려야 당선도 같이 좋으면서 다 시베 다는 같이 좋아요. 제가 지 인지에서 주변 구르지 인지에서 가 인지에서 지 야마다. 인주에서 다 간다야 인주산다 소화 규모를 계시 되버려. 제가 벌써 이걸 Kene da lo dungu buru tsoa di ji susu mizi naro di karshura da ji jita mebe da kandar karshura ji kanda tsoa kub di ju de cheng marwa da tingsang bazi di yangsi karshura yangne yangdu di karshura mis dhruji chikdo.
I was born in 1985, and until I was 7, my life was fairly simple, and my feelings, my experience was pretty ordinary, pretty simple. There were some auspicious signs surrounding my birth, which caused people to assume that I was a tulku of some kind, but they didn't particularly know who. So for my first 7 years, I had a kind of experience that is hard to describe, but all I can say is that nowadays, looking back on it, I repeatedly find myself missing it.
That is what you need to live. Any Kashmir, come up with search parties, come up with changing in the group, and as a lumba level. As a lumba. lungu dhujire, lumbu lungu. Chidanjira kuzu pebarwa. Tsanga yunga dhujire pebarwa di imbide ngazu dis geji shedu san, kubda chuyo mindus. Kuzu di, ngazu namyu chilo mida drabashaya ma, chesa, kuzu Central Tibet ni yombe yinsan, kuzu geji shedu san, ki gyurzu mindus. Ki gyurzu chi geji yama. Takanda lumbu lungu dhujire. Chesa dhan kamabu yinbaru dhujire shebre. Ta degi But the some surprise. Yeah, that Palmer in Adado, Lumbemi in area, and someone would surprise. The Suchi lady, Tajida, similar Tajida, and Digi expectation. Suchi lady.
Then, when I was 7, the search party that was looking for the reincarnation of the Karmapa arrived. Now, where I lived at that time in Tibet was a particularly isolated part of Tibet in the east. And since the search party were coming primarily from central Tibet, they spoke so differently from the people where I was living that we had to have someone translating. We couldn't really communicate with one another very well. But anyway, they said I was the Karmapa, and this surprised all of us. It surprised my parents, my siblings, all of us. Everyone was surprised. We were utterly unprepared for that.
Escape charo ji paji chame karresana ta tamabung ji chidano di shirag ta kaju rule no di temashbi warta kandesra kamabukundi ku komandigi ku ta korang gyawaji ma khawalengi na digi sajo khawalengi na phamemin kandri bada ana logadi ki sangolo detail chejebe insa ta di escape chare khawro.
However, there was no escaping from this recognition, because the basis for my recognition as the Karmapa was the letter left by my predecessor describing my birthplace, the names of my parents, and the year of my birth. And since they all matched, there was no way for me to get out of this.
Kamabala ngadi kamabal choose gimzen karimba chugo some teso ina kamab gundi juban desa.
I remember thinking when I was very young, I would like to ask the 16th Karmapa why he picked me, but of course I couldn't because he had already passed away.
And the Tomar Unzi Shebekale or the Kamaba Chankibu Gire, Zamaza Mambre, Zamazan get Hobo Mambre, somebody did tense. Diana Jama Dijan.
Then I thought, well, at least maybe if I'm the Karmapa, I'll get a lot of toys and a lot of friends to play with, but it didn't work out that way.
That name, this is the Mamma Wuchar. And the name. The go be na ya yong, go be na yong this time, and then you who said Yam to Zimmerson at the Boomam Gorba. The Boomam is married. Me gave a game. Me, this senior can get it, someone on who she got serious can get. That did it, Yamdo, that challenge was.
So I was brought to the monastery. And normal children are surrounded by other children with whom they play and learn together and so on. Well, I didn't have that. There were no other children around me. I was surrounded by a lot of really old people who were very serious. I would even say dour.
And the Industanta, Mashi Pele Debe Korea, Logiliata, Ting Ni, the Tuya Kogabri. The Yimbidiadi, Logishi Koreatre, Peda Katege, and Yahariumbre, the Logini Tuya, Logil Ting Jini Tuya Kogabde, the Merchant.
I was also separated from my parents because the people who found me said, well, he's the Karmapa, you have to give him to us. But while I was still living in Tibet, at least I had the opportunity to see my parents once or twice a year. But after I left Tibet at the age of 14 and went to India, I also became separated from any chance of seeing my parents.
And that in a yard and a lodge jungle chimbre. Takalan needs Mausta chumbre. Takanda, the Digi, because written a journey to Digire. That is Cheche and Dina Lology, Susugi, the Kashu, Kalikaliches, and Tamuka, Kalikaliches, and it is Susugi, the Kamaba Chadi, the Kugubruchi. Mission Dalia, Pendocha, Kugubruchi. Imagine around Tombre. This is a Mimabachigi and Alavaruchigare. rewa gyagyewe inju san susu ngene imbinya ta kandar ji kashu di kogab di ji thong ta na mi shinda gi zewa ine ji mangbu ji susu liya zewa mangbu chungbu insan tenla denje ane susu imbinya ta ji kashu shenpen zhubiya gi dan dunba sanan rado shenpen zhubiya liya ji myoba rab ji kali kari chungbu rimdi chungbu
I've been living in India for 15 years. During that time, a lot of stuff has happened, and that's basically been my journey. Gradually, over time, I came to view my position as the Karmapa as an opportunity to help others. People like me, they place their hopes in me, they have faith in me, they love me. So this has fostered in me a great interest in using my position and what ability that gives me to be a real help to others and to the world.
거두고 소화 매버를 늦지 말아요. 거두 소화 첨부야. 다나 신기 미신달이야지. 강에 매버 저 알아내야다 간다. 간다 미신다게 미신다 강에를 비벼 있는데 지 강에에 셰치서를 줘봐. 당에 강에에 술 셰치서 개매서 다 간다. 강에에 다 간다 지 랑다 개버냐버를 지리야 셰치보다 까마버생 신다를 주는 지 셰를 셰다 대 가라 하고. 다 민주스탄에 하다들이 하다지 쳐야돼 소다지 시행을 펜버지 이제 총나 사버지 아대야지 소소 나버인 비견선을 되네 아더 셴변 쪽으로서 된지 많이 버지 아니 소소 닝 타버네 에너지 샤라지 자와르지다 셴이야 펜버지 쪽투는 사버지 다들이 사버지 도시제 코체 넘버
I've learned to willingly accept the challenges I have to face and use the opportunity I'm given to help others. But I'm not saying that I don't have feelings, that I don't go through ups and downs, that I don't get sad. I do. I experience the same sort of feelings and ups and downs as everyone else. The difference between me and everyone else is everyone else has at least one person with whom they can share their feelings, share their problems. I don't actually have anyone with whom I can share my feelings or my problems or my challenges. So I try as best I can to help others, and I really want to. It's not just because I'm a Buddhist or because I have this position. That's what I really want to do.
Understanding zaman but that is a condition sadi ta kandarji kashoe understanding the indobla condition gyurma gyusa ta kandarji ngazu mizina lore jidan chemde mitsang lore ya ta nge samle ngarang ki case ti thon samtabina ta choran kamaba res 고급지 첨부지 때문에 인상 안다 dig 소수진 게 소술이야 게 지어봐대 하고 recognize 아주 미상으로 되는 시래 오늘 시장 아주 상으로 올린 게 상으로 찍고요 안에 예배는 시 상으로 된 게인데요 이비는 아소리야 지 딩게인데 예배대 하고야 고거범 디기 차견으로 좀 인사 아주 그 뒤에 있는 되지 게인지 예배증 아주 초고요 말에 손나양 아주 이그노를 치가래 땅에 계시들이야 다디 세우시 차래 저런 겐디 요레스 여바데 하코 여바는 신 이그노르네 치다 메비 디 준세데네 다디 shumare 진짜 세상 아주 상으로 지고를 신듯이 아트레이 비슷하네 되다 다디 이제야 저거지
This is how I would explain, using myself as an example, a compassion that is not merely understanding or understood, but that is courageously applied in our lives. This was brought home to me by the fact that people will actually say to me, "You're the Karmapa, you have a tremendous opportunity to help others." And this has inspired me to recognize the responsibility that I bear to help others to the best of my ability. But that responsibility is by no means unique to me. This is true of all of us. We all have the same responsibility to help others and to better the world in which we live. We normally are unconscious of it, since no one reminds us of it. And when we occasionally have twinges of feeling, maybe I should be doing something about this and so on, we've learned to ignore those feelings or suppress them. Well, the only difference in my case was that because my position has made my responsibility glaringly clear to me, I've had no opportunity to ignore it. But I would say that the responsibility itself is something that we all share. And having said that, I invite your questions.
Okay. Questions? How to choose question? I don't know. Oh, just stand there. Okay, yes. Please.
Your Holiness,
Yes.
I'm Cynthia.
I'm Catherine.
We're sisters, and we actually have a very similar question. So maybe we'll ask a few questions, and you can answer whatever you want. We were both very curious about your travels with the students in the universities, wondering what you were hoping to learn. I feel a little bit sad that you didn't get to learn maybe, and you're now teaching a lot on this trip. But what were you hoping to learn? What were your experiences like with the students?
And I was just wondering, because you had such a different growing up experience, if you relate to any of the students you meet and how you relate to them, if not?
Very traditional, curious, traditional molding student is the condition. Even yes, somebody around unity. Subuti traditional salon chumbarina, somebody traditional Jiboma in Chata, someone accept charge, open for everything. Some of that new charity, reserve chigata, and the images and DNA, and she calculated the Susan and India, and Tinduki, student Nation, Tangarine, Georgine and Arine, got a lot of Chagivin, Sana, as an Azuji, Mirror Lochin, Pinzin, Chigitilia. 가르쳐지. 진주지리야. 지 가르쳐다. 지 대화도 동에 시에래 자르다. 다나 신기 섬주 제련샤다. 개심을 쉽지. 자디가 알아서 something. 라버도야. 아, 야갈 대백거리야. 아메리카에 루루 마고 토브래. 아주 아메리카 루루도 토드 상안이야. 소나 치슈지 가르쳐는 사람. 지단 관술이야지 가르쳐. 팅듀기 신기 로종 제토비 지 가르에 예버전 마세베 그수르디 가르지 마옹베 지소아당 점블링기 마옹베 체레임이냐 그수 심구를 비자제지 되지다 그수 스타노디 가심으로시 아 안다나 신기 대선도 마세 그수기 수수기 점블링디 야부지와 체 수능에 가르쳐 도이네. 리지기다 가다 좋아지기면 그저 Jilia, something and then don't you the Chodos. They use the Dentella and a busy, the Denji, Rawachambuchi, and then Kashura the Kazuchimbu statues. That is
Well, naturally, the students with whom I've conversed are very curious about what my, to say the least, very traditional upbringing has been like. While I am thoroughly steeped in tradition, I would say that my body has been steeped in the tradition, but I've tried to keep my mind open-minded and broad-minded. And another thing that makes it very easy to relate to modern American university students is that, don't forget, I'm still quite young. And so my age is not that different from theirs. And so we have a natural affinity, a natural ability.
Some people think I'm 900 years old. Teasing.
Teasing. A natural ability to openly exchange our experiences and exchange our views. Especially in India, I've met with a lot of American university students, and my main experience has been to be somewhat inspired, very impressed to the point of feeling inspired, not just by the sophistication of their studies, but the vast concern for the future of this world, of this planet, that they exhibit, and their active and serious interest in finding practical ways to help this world and better this world. That's what they talk about, that's what they ask about, that's what they think about. And this has given me a great hope for the future and has inspired me.
Thank you.
나는 골고 영이 뭔가 상심 기질도 나 답죽진 또 카르탄키니한테 관보체 좀 넣어준지 또 따다 조금 나 보고지요. 이나 니 빨라디 나 빠지긴다. 그거 좀송 그거 딱바랑인도 손음 그 조지 말지 직섬도 가리나다. 말라 무슨 근자까지 나오르긴.
Okay. Did jail tona? They need jail tona. Okay. Oh, that is difficult to translate that. Next. Oh, okay. Please.
Having a guru is necessary to be on the path, and that's a very personal connection. Now, with the digital age, it's possible to communicate with many people simultaneously. Manlams and teachings can be simulcast and reach many people all over the globe. As you're using these tools, do you consider there is a danger to the teachings as well as an opportunity?
No. I can't hear you. Oh, don't jump. Don't do that. Yeah, okay.
The temperature so you know, the chance on morning and that she some machine don't travel. So thank you. The thing so you know, then social media computer that's okay going in a webcast more for your they gonna lama jawa go so there is. In the sun they la temper ke chaten the yore they la test yenga down yore.
Okay. Tadi teri andang jidangi karuwa da ji. Tende karuwa di re dan duslam jumdu ta. Tadi jidang nga zugi ji jawa tab deru ji le lao chi. Tadi indu sa ding ang zu ji karuwa. Ta mi mang bu ji bena 내단 등 아주 용디가 되나 미망부지 이게 가수에 다지 그냥 아주 야갈 대회가 미망부지 야갈 용토야 미망부지 벤저 킹게면은 용토야 말 가시 위자르가 인도스탄에 미망부지 용도에 용모도 내주 도 차려야 근데 내단을 차이요 인도스탄에 엔지 라이브 웹카스트 내가 토네 엔다지 소셜 토라라 소바 되지 중앙에 그걸 데버를 샤토야 다 임비냐 이나야 가수라다지 오늘 저녁에 지 최근 데버사 되지기 아주 지금 다들 고급을 지금 아주 토고하래 이미는 다지 년대지 납샤 당보대나.
Well, first of all, the use of live webcasts and to some extent social media as well as the internet in general has brought a real benefit for many people because, for example, in my case, I live in India, and when teachers live in India, there are many people in other countries who simply cannot afford or cannot easily get a visa to go to India. And in such cases, live webcasts and so forth give them an opportunity to share in the Dharma, to share and form a connection with the teachings that they might otherwise lack.
이미는 오늘은 지금 라마들 로맨 제바사데 든지지게 가르쳐야지. 아르슬라우 다시 제바 줌을 좀 해야지. 다들 초전에 줌을 좀 하다. 소셜 미디어. 딱 오늘 저녁에지 대야지 가르쳐야지. 고야 디베 띵 사모지다. Can sort of can feel it, can touch it. someone with that did go adi that should be get chadi thana ta kandar ji ka shwe ji did ji ta ngusung ge dever to go adi should be get chadi jidang a jun nam gi benaji sosu gi family member did nyam do nima ta ba ji ge she de bi ne da ji social media ton ge she de bi mi ne ngus to ba de da ke ba sha ya and the junzel de ne ana nga ju gi thezam gi yi chamber ma che chi 오늘 전에던 저버디 something we can 가르쳐다 touch feel it 이제 과도 쉽지 타니고 가지 좀 이제 과도다 계속 쉽지 하대요 다디 아주 이제 가르쳐야지 소수기 지 왕부터 그거 서로를 영어로 줘야 돼 이렇게 좀 잘해요 something 다디 가르쳐는 very personal very 가르쳐다지 다지 수수기 오늘 전에 소왕 엄마들 저기
the particular matter of the connection between a guru and the disciples, this connection cannot be artificial. It has to be real. So it has to be a much deeper connection than one can easily gain through social media. Because it is a matter of feeling. It is a connection that is almost tangible and deeply touching. And it has to be therefore direct. To give you an analogy for this, even though distant family members may communicate with one another daily by means of social media, they will still make the effort to visit one another in person because they want that immediacy, that intimacy, a proximity of connection. There's simply more feeling in person. So in the same way, the relationship between a guru and a disciple is that personal and therefore requires a personal interaction face to face because that will allow for the intense feelings which are part of the relationship to develop.
Okay.
Your Holiness, this question is about the arts. And the more I kind of learn about Tibetan culture, learning about, people that don't study in a monastery, there's so much there's singing, there's dancings, festivals, and the art being a vehicle for Dharma. And my question is, how can you see us creating that in the West, creating a society where Dharma isn't just talks, but the same kind of joyful expression as a vehicle? Sometimes I think in the West it can get very serious and almost tight. So.
Chönyam renchi saade dhagas chi zogir dede alo chi. Bige ji karsha samlo ro tang busu thong samlo be udu gyap nyamdo ro che ji ni kudo ro che dede alo chi ma. Tadi must active samlo. Tadi subudi imina des chi karsha tadi des chi kar lugi tang dab tang ane ji ngagi jeba da tesu da digital 수수익이 다 간다지 셈기 다 간다지 가서야 돼 가와다 셈기 대와다 아 다는 참바도 인지를 소바도 수분 넘겨 돈 받된 타는 얘는 비는 심진 시간이야 믹다에 걸이야 믹디에 비냐 아직 참바도 인지기 단 제외건 믹다에 비싸나 거 미디야 미세지 생기 요한 초벌을 지당 에너지 지 생기现在早晚也的간다 가지고 단순히 차단된 거. 인주서 디균센데는 되게 액티브 거 하다 쉽게 좀 잘. 맞아지. 최냠레스하든 옆도로 집에 대대에 소리다시 삼단대 소리 무슨 더 대대에 때문에 맞지. 마스터 액티브 서머로. 다들 인주사는 별이야지 최단 대회기 참가래 다는 최단 대회 루단 가다 망보셔래. 이들 상황로 되지 가지고 최디 다시 코벤 삼류 디 랩다 가지고 되지 배샤오 많이 봐. 아주 지금은 바로 제제. 드리지가 도안에 수술 융아 예수인데 간다를 가셔야 되지. 배는 밀레레버나 시리다 밀레레버데 미메그 롱동질 대여하데 이번에 코랑 거다지. 심지엔라 제외 상바당 라마 대동 상바데 롤랑이요 주산 간다를 쉬우지기 다 간다 지 kuyu tamsele kong lui 가지고 단단한 디 캬버를 준 거래. 이게 간다를 액티브를 시차요. 근데 액티브가 딱 해줘. 근데 이제 펜도가 야고 있어.
Yes. Because Dharma practice is not in reality the narrow thing that we imagine it to be. We often imagine that Dharma practice consists of sitting quietly, alone, as still as possible, thinking about the same things over and over again until you fall asleep. Dharma practice is much more than that. It is much more active. It involves the articulation, expression, and even embodiment of Dharma in body and speech, physical movement and expression. Even the way that you look at other beings is supposed to be with a loving glance or loving gaze. So therefore, as you mentioned in your question, it has become very much part of Tibetan culture, embodied by the dance in both ritual and secular forms and so forth. The point is that Dharma is not something to hide inward. It's something to extend yourself outward with in body, speech, and mind. To use Jetsun Milarepa as an example, even though he lived in isolated retreats, he still came down to interact with people by singing his songs and filling the areas where he was with the message that he communicated. So, yes, because Dharma must be active.
Hi, Your Holiness. It's an honor to ask you a question. How do you balance helping others with also taking care of your own needs? And what advice would you give to a Dharma practitioner who is studying to become a healer, a therapist?
Helping others and your own needs, you said?
Yes, how do you balance helping others but also taking care of your own being?
Tadi nye maguchi, ore. Tadi tangpo di first step samar baze, chue nyamla kare chebi na. Tangpo di ji warm yourself samar baze ji susu li ya ji. Taji digi ge sonar baze da, chugi ge sonar baze dekwa de keshib shaya sha. Tane chamba de nyingi saya di, nga zu nam gyuni chi sidu sa, chamba de nyingi chidu sa na, nge chamba chewa de mi shen da, ishe da ji. Nge chamba chewa de, Mishinda accept chat, try to understand some of the Suzuki Chamni chat, Mishinda accept Chabina, and then Suzu Chamni Chavatilia, Rintan they accept Machavina and the Rintan made the Ruchi. The Imbidanuna Chavina, the Dikolia, Chambadan Zadi, Kachita Zamaiba. Tamungia, Chambadan Niji, Rintan of the Suzu Shavchi, Chambadan Niji, and under the trade of the socially and leverage. The digital that trade in mission dollar debt quadrage. So long as our charge and mission dollar trade debt of the digital war. But the social lava tongue and mission dollar and the healing check was on a Kalakawas dollar. The industry is image nearly a social lava day, however, and the mission healing of Chavina, and then the mission dollar to give the young Torella. Telegram case at the Tambo Sosulia, they get that true year of the young something.
I think the first step in helping others is to develop a warmth toward yourself. And if you have warmth toward yourself, then you actually just have to extend that same warmth toward others as well. Otherwise, when we think of love and compassion as things we can only feel for others and not for ourselves, then they become very conditional. They become very dependent upon people's reaction. We feel that our love and compassion is valuable if others accept it and valueless if they don't. It is more a matter of becoming warm, becoming a warm person, and then allowing that warmth to radiate outward. For example, if you want to warm others' hands on a cold day, first your hands have to be warm. If your hands are cold, you won't be able to warm anyone else's hand by holding it. And this, of course, is all the more true for healers.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay. You know, Quran Sulia, Sheva Chegada, not one that disease door. The two are someone laying out of
I won't be able to answer every single question that I see lining up because I have a train to catch, but I will take several more.
Joshi. Four more.
Hi, Mr. Kamaba. I just want to say thank you. And my mom is your disciple, and she has followed you for years. And she's in China, you know, the difficult situation there. And just want to say thank you, and thanks for your wisdom and your speech. Thank you very much.
Thank you. That is not a question. Okay. Thank you. Please.
Rinpoche, I have a very selfish question. So with all the years I've been with you, I'm so sorry it's not coming to work. Can you give me some advice on how to deal with some difficulties with my parents and aggression to my parents, to my natural parents? Thank you.
That is Pama Susulia, Susugi, Bulia, Love the Duyalia, Zawa Yeva, the Duyala, Tabmadam, Moto Hashiki. Hashiki, energy, Beraji, Patre, Bugutusan and Lamsanji, Bugutilla Tamne, Tichada, Digigorba. Hashish, there are starting with Pamaka serious to her. The British Dara Majeche, and Kashe, Pamakashe, and Galesh would give Lagashi Mambushi, Musashi, and the Moody, and Susu Bolia, Pentab Shadow. That's all young. Jesanji, Pama Susugi, the Zawa Sadi. Zawa Zan and Meva Sadi, this Kawiji sometimes. That you mean a Kuzugi, Zawa Denandi, as a understand each other, Kalakashu sometimes. The Masulu Goya, Zawa de Kuzu Madreche. Even a Koran so young, she's always taking a thing as a water. And they think Galerche, and they just done it. Ah, Karaja Orestana. Ah, Karaja. That did my love, she tend to.
I think the main issue is that parents show their love for their children in very different ways. Some show it through physical affection. As soon as they see their child, they gather them into a big hug. Other parents show their love through concern for the child and can look almost distant because they're so serious, so focused on the child's well-being. Other parents work themselves to exhaustion in order to pay for the child's needs and therefore have little energy to demonstrate their affection. I think it's very rare, very unlikely that parents do not love their children. But it's often hard for us as children to recognize our parents' love because the way they choose or are able to express it may not be the way we want them to express it.
Okay.
Earlier about a lot of the suffering that's going on a global scale and the importance of awakening our awareness to that. And I think, especially speaking as a New Yorker, there's a tremendous amount of suffering that happens in our own backyard that it's very easy to lose sight of. And it's also easy to feel compassion and have a desire to want to help others, but not necessarily know how we can elevate the suffering of others. So what do you recommend in our day-to-day lives as New Yorkers to help suffering, and increase our other orientation?
Mix out the New York Rongche Champo Delayang, Matsu Samsam Matong Waki, Dungalda, Netsutua Momboyore. Then New York Rongche Champo La Dekin Soki, Data Dungat Mombo, Yokin Sola, Pentaki to Children, Zambal and Chilla, Pentaki and so Tareko.
Pentaki,
Pentaki Top.
New York, Zambuling Misawan of Chadi, almost several global service city, Chadi, Zambuling city. On the Indusane, the Uzadene, and as Hong Chigil and Javayavati, as Chigilia, the Kidu Yamnation, Yedeva. As something Zambuling Ditolia, drawn with someone Yamdo Sodishan Yavati, Jixena, Yashet and Haku. 내가 아주 총질직이 날라야 아니지 미리 담는다. 다는 신기지 기린 담는데 미망고치 냠도 소들시는 예대로 가서 무슨 통신을 내래. 제산 닐레 베르시네. 아 상로지 가서 지 가서다지 쿠르지 날라래 소들시는 예대지. 이미 인주산 디교제 되네. 에피즈직이지리아 다지 가서 지시는 가솔리아다 간다 가서에 다 대야 자와사디 아주는 unity 미마부치 알라고요. 당에 지 셴베지 중국도 셴베 중국도 산 당아 빼샤지 유튜브를 차고도 그래서 유튜브 영화 기본적으로 제로 지는데 가지 요. 가시 다 왕치 친구 주변에는 언더지 얘들이 편도에 와서 이제 왕치 친구 영화 기본적으로 제로 지. 다디 오늘 전에다 우연히 주더라도 미상말로 되게 영화지 매비지로. 이내다지 조디 셴벤지 주투면도 사를 수술 융아 이숨디 배주야고 지원토면 다다 여대. 이내들 수술 융아 이숨부터야 다다지 가르쳐야지. 수술 개와 가르쳐 융아 이숨부터야 개와 선한다도 간다지 튜니 예백 지 연대 망즈를 지 아주 얇게 나지. 수술 융아 이숨부터야 튜니 예백 자와 망즈 주부입니다. 근데 되게 땡땡이지 정신기 심지어는 앞에 하고 샤도 알아서 이 근세는 때네 아주 expected too much som을 첨부를 좀 많이 미치지 수수기 다들 유화 동안에 수수전이 유화 동안에 고점과 계속식 자리에 알아 베나차샤비미나 아니지 가수에 아주 지조나 니즈 망보지 아주 미소수기 삼무당당한 저것이 자리에 알아 삼무당당한 에너지 잠지 유매다 아주 삼당다 수술 잠지 유매 잠바도 제외 삼바 유매다 다 된들진 저거 싶이 차대 수술은이 유화 당도 총이 되게 유원 접수를 삼던
In a sense, New York City is almost like a model of the whole world, in that it's something of a global city. There are people here of practically every origin, and practically every language in the world is spoken somewhere here. So the way we relate to people in the city in which we live as New Yorkers is really a model for how we can relate to the people throughout the whole world. As far as actually helping others, what we need to do or need to have to help others, what we need to have to help. We need to think not only of what others need, but of what we have the ability to provide, what we can actually do to assist in giving others what they need. Sometimes people come to me and they say, I want to be of help to others. In order to do that, I will need to become wealthy. Please tell me how I can become wealthy. Or they'll say, I want to help others. In order to do that, I need to gain authority or political power. Please tell me how to do that. This is unrealistic, because not everyone is going to be wealthy. Not everyone is going to have political power. But everyone has a body, speech, and mind. So the question arises, how are we using the resources that we already possess? Are we doing useful and meaningful things with our bodies, with our speech, and with our minds? If we are, then we will automatically help others. From one point of view, what may impede us is that we have exaggerated expectations of ourselves. Instead of trying to do something tremendous externally, we need to begin by changing ourselves. And if we can change ourselves, we will automatically be able to improve the lot of others. And the first question we need to ask, therefore, is how much love do we really have in our hearts? And that is the first thing that we need to develop.
Okay. Last two questions. Okay.
Karmapa channel. People in China and people in Tibet miss you very much. And do you think that in the near future, will you come back to have a vacation and visiting the university there and have a talk to the young people there? Thank you.
Wow. Good question. 다들 좋아를 개요만, 좋아요만, 좋아만. 땅을 상으로 이제 가수에 나라인의지 별이야, 카체에 걸이야, 수수 카케바데 땐도 카케바지 맞지래? 이 지치리요 말아. 아니 양가르 별이야, 지 용토야로지. 아 별이지 용토도 하지래. 버지 니마 땅와르 밀람단. 별이야 바 로온도야 밀람단지. 근데 나와카시지냐 배 그뒤내지 별 발론도 밀면 괜찮아 다시 그러시네. 근데 이제 텐데 지가서에 이 별이야 파 로트야 그러와 유에서나 다들 좋아게 제가 말다. 예 버세. 아니 안다나 신기 가서에 자나를 차셔이네야. 지 까먹어 군진 공원에서다. 다가다지 까먹어 군진 이번에 손데 안 간다지 최소한다 저희에 대해서 또 차이 알아. 근데 이 뉴스안에 나랑은에 이미냐. 에너지 최소 토네. 에너지 가수에 팬들 주야. 이제 이게다 명람도지 여기 알아. 남기 명람 저기. 이 텐데 다 투주 렘바로 찍거려야. 에너지 로트야 그래서 와도 말아도 쉬우예요.
When I left Tibet, I did not have the intention to never return. I did not think of it as leaving Tibet forever. So of course, I have the hope to return. In fact, for the several months after leaving Tibet, I dreamt every night of going back. So of course, it is my hope eventually to return to Tibet. As for China, starting with the second Karmapa, the successive Karmapas have had a Dharma connection with the people of China. So therefore, I pray that I be able to benefit the people of that country through Dharma.
Okay, last question.
Your Holiness, there are so many people who are very, very, very happy when you're here in the United States. And I've also had a chance to talk to some of the people who are planning this trip and helping with some of the arrangements. And they tell me how hard you're working. And I wonder if you could envision your fourth visit to the United States, what that would look like to bring you the most joy, to bring you the most benefit, because I think that if you benefit, we will benefit the most. So I ask you that question.
Okay. Yeah.
He's really funny.
땅아 투니에스 주사네 참참 다 프로그램 카시 디사르와 당보다 예지 어르 다 참모 프로그램 카시 디사르사네 다티 예투 마니에스 랍투야 가하고도와 근데 이상으로지 미신다 쳇치요래 제가 투 예나야 신변 주야디 저랑 랭게레 투 마니네 다디 랭게레 사르죠다 다디 주스 당 아미세지 가르에 가르서로 Then Dutch around the beauty America Yadi, and Chojini casually visit the Chojin so relax charge. That is really within to see it. And the ranges are deacons and then energy casual. And Maumbalia, Arangi, that things soon America living in the Tangi condition this Hakwa, and then the Maumbal Susuchi. And midsummer some gal, Yagaching the same doom go by society.
Okay. Well, the business of, where did you go? Oh, there you are, hi. The business of me being pleased or me liking the schedule and so on it's a little beside the point. Because once the schedule's been arranged, you know, whether I like it or not, whether I feel like it or not, it's my responsibility to help people. That's what I do. That's what my life is. Of course, from one point of view, this visit was a tour with lectures and so on. From another point of view, I sort of hoped it would be an opportunity to relax. In any case, my real answer to your question would be that having now visited America 3 times, I figured out how things work. And I'm going to think carefully about the next time. And I apologize. I apologize for being unable to answer all of your questions this evening, but in a certain way it's okay. In Tibetan culture, when you visit someone's home, you don't finish all of the tea in your cup. You leave a little bit of tea in the bottom saying, I'll drink that tea the next time I come. So this is a kind of auspicious indication that I'll come back. So I would say I'll take the rest of your... So I'll answer the rest of your questions next time.
I just wanted to thank you, Your Holiness, for this lovely, personal, and profound talk and sharing of ideas and thoughts. And I think I speak for everyone here when I say that we hope that the continuation of your journey from here on out involves fewer lectures and more enjoyment, and that we will wait patiently for that little bit in the bottom of the teacup that you will come back and share with us. Thank you very much.